So here's our next project, a 1990 Pontiac Trans Am GTA. Now I'm not the owner of this car. The current owner is a friend of mine's relative who is stationed in Australia for the next 2 years. So over the next few weeks we're going to go ahead and tackle a few projects on this vehicle. But first, let's get a little closer look at this vehicle and start to put together our list of what we're going to need to do. You probably noticed that the paint is pretty nice on this car. It was just recently repainted. This car originally came from Florida, and so it had a lot of sun damage. So no rust on it, just a new paint job. And as you're going to end up seeing, these tires are pretty bad, and the wheels are going to end up getting swapped out. The interior, though, has got quite a bit of sun damage in it. I think we may need to replace that handle. It's pretty loose. I have to check the door hinge pin bushings. Seems decent. Here you can see the sun damage. Carpet's all faded. We have a replacement dash pad for it. Airbag's pretty wore out. Hopefully that's just a few loose bolts. Gonna have to do something with this headliner. It's in pretty bad shape and a little tore up. And we'll have to get a new cover for the glove box there. Make point of the noise coming from the right headlight. Could just be a bad bulb. Well, apparently the lift cylinders are good. Looks like we have a replacement for that piece. Just going to need to be dyed. Lift cylinders need replaced. Now this engine is the 350 two-port injected engine, and it was recently rebuilt, apparently from sitting. It had some coolant leak, so the owner decided to have the whole motor pulled, tore down, and refreshed. So let's take a look on the underside of this car and see if we have any items down here that are going to need to be addressed. You can tell this is a Florida car. It hasn't seen any Pennsylvania winters. It's pretty clean under here and no rust or rot. So I don't know, we have much to do down here. Looks like somebody's already replaced the fuel pump in this car. And that's good because there's a lot of work you gotta go through to do that. So our next video, we'll go ahead and we'll put together our list that we'll need to do. And our first item is going to have to be to remove the interior. So if you want to see all that, make sure if you haven't already, you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss an episode. And we look forward to seeing you again. Thanks for watching.